Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your system and backup are ready. You should export the registry key now so you can undo changes. This prevents data loss. Once done, identify whether you need a 64-bit or 32-bit. Reg file, because that determines which entries restore Windows Photo Viewer. Make sure File Explorer is open to the Downloads folder. This speeds execution. You'll run the reg file next, so pause to confirm admin rights and that no image files are open. Now you apply the changes. Right-click the reg file and select Run as Administrator, then accept the User Account Control prompt. This writes the Photo Viewer keys into the registry. After the merge, restart Explorer or sign out and sign back in so the system loads the new associations. Then open Default Apps, choose Photo Viewer and associate it explicitly with common image extensions like JPG, PNG, and BMP. This step ensures files open with Photo Viewer rather than finish by testing multiple images so you confirm stable behavior across formats. Double-click JPG, PNG, and GIF files. If an image still opens in Photos, go to choose Default Apps by file type and manually select Windows Photo Viewer for each extension. If the registry keys revert or Photo Viewer disappears, re-import the reg file and then run DISM and SFC to repair system components. These commands fix corrupted system files that prevent registry settings from sticking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.